Area, hello. Una dey welcome to Football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. Chelsea 2 and Leicester City 1. And we get Oga Nelson, will be very ogbonge Chelsea fan, make come tell us about how he see the game. Oga Nelson, Chelsea get a red card for this game. And some people call it one if it's be like say this winning, this 3 point, not the one shake. But how you see Chelsea performance for this game?
Well, it was now a very good game, Sha. They play well. But that Carragher, so that guy no be there now 8. You understand? And the guy, him and Mount, they interchange them. But I get he tried to. He did not try, Sha, but the red card. Irrespective of the red card, the team still played well. The midfield was able to lock down. Then the defenders, excellent performance from them. It was just a very good performance all around. But Havertz, that guy needs to get his game up. That guy is not playing well at all. We need Havertz. We need him to be top, man.
Making the deliver for now.
Yeah, making the deliver. We need him.
Make I ask you about the red card now. You think say that one a pure red card? Now right decision from the referee to give Gallagher that second yellow.
The right decision now. If not, Harvey Barnes don't go. That guy fast. For don't reach post. So that was red. You understand? Second yellow, straight red. You understand? That was it.
All right, now for this game now, this performance, now which player now you think they stand out for Chelsea? Which player be your man of the match, Oga Nelson?
I'll pick Mendy. Good goalkeeping. Good. You know, it's always say Mendy they fuck up some kind of times, but
Like the last match.
I know they remind me about that match. I think. That last match where Mendy go to wait this and so. But sometimes we need top. We need to understand that we need
Top performance like
this one. And let me say Cucurella, that guy is playing excellent ball. They bust our head. James, normal. Stand
up performance today.
Stand up from the guy. Thiago, Agba, senior man.
Senior man football in the play.
Agba football. But man of the match for me now, Mendy.
Okay. But may I ask you about one new signing now, Raheem Sterling. You talk about say Havertz no dey deliver. But how you think say Raheem Sterling don't improve this Chelsea attack line now with this move from Man City to Chelsea?
I know gonna say he don't improve him, but he dey try. This match he try. He try. They give him service. He needs that service, you understand? It's obviously Chelsea midfield day like this because we don't get DM. So the service, after we give him better service today, we see say he score. So you understand? Once he get that kind of service, he go perform for us like the way they perform for Man City. You get now so.
All right, now you talk about Kai Havertz now. We don't see the links with Chelsea for this transfer window. It does get about 5 or 6 days remaining for the transfer window. We don't hear the links with Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Some people say make I know they call him Aubameyang again, so I correct myself. Aubameyang. So you think say if Aubameyang come, things go change for that Chelsea forward line? I be you to you know they among the people where they believe say him no be good signing for Chelsea as a Chelsea fan. How you see that links with Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang?
That Aubameyang signing. You understand now? Now Arsenal, Chelsea. You understand? Anytime the Arsenal players come, they always there's a European trophy. Ashley Cole, Giroud. So Aubameyang is a good player. He dropped more than 70 goals for Arsenal before he left them now. So I feel it's a good signing. Pay him up with Sterling up there, with Mount or Carragher, or maybe if Havertz has picked up, or even Broja herself. I think that would be a very good pairing. Those three are the front. You understand? So signing Aubameyang is a plus to the team.
Okay.
So yeah.
So what are you talking that one? Here we go already. So no be links again. The move for Wesley Fofana from Leicester City to Chelsea. How you see that signing? You think say the player worth the money, £75 million plus add-on? How you see that move?
I don't know if it's worth the money or not. And I'm not sure. I just see how they play small, but you understand now. You know they watch Leicester match. Not only if they play against top teams, they watch them. So I don't feel it's worth the amount. But we actually need a defender in the team. So as a sign, so maybe if he perform for us, maybe no. But that money, no, I don't think it's worth it. Okay. But still, we believe in him. We need another defender in the team. So I understand.
So before the transfer window will end, how many signings do they expect from Chelsea?
All the signings went back at it for more, so God go punish them. All the Rafinha, all the Lewy, God go punish them. If to say Rafinha did this team now, we're not going to struggle now. Till Leeds go take us 3. If to say Rafinha did for that match now. If I don't load the team back now, I expected us to have lots and lots of signing, even delete self. Although it was at a high amount, but at least having delete in your team Understand? It's okay. Then my team rejects Ronaldo. See this team now, we don't get striker. I go to reject Ororo now. If Ororo did this kind of thing with this kind of service, and that Leeds match where Cucurella just the cross. If that Ronaldo did it, that goal now. Out of all those crosses, he go score. But still, they still do okay with the signings, you understand? But we need DM, sha. Because this Giorgio, like I say, they play like person when head, you understand? If DM no deal with them, no go fit play and at DM, so it don't really make sense like that. We understand, but the signings one don't do, they alright.
All right, now before I go let you go, Oga Nelson. Now, how high you think say Chelsea go finish this season?
Top 4.
Top for sure for you.
Top for sure.